What up, guys? Dre with Rich Kids TV. Today I'm here with Khalil.
Turn up.
And we're gonna go try to pick up the same girl, but like... Hey, excuse me ladies, what are you up to? What are you guys doing? You guys waiting for an Uber? What are you guys doing later? Do you guys want to hang out later or what? So hey, did you want to chill sometime later or? You down? Have your number? Can you tell me? Alright, cool. Hold on. There you go. How you doing? Thank you, appreciate it. I'm gonna hit you up later tonight, alright? Alright, peace out. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of the video. Sorry it's such a short video, but if you guys want more, like it and share it, and I will do a part 2, and I'll make it longer. Go subscribe to Khalil's channel. It's Yo Boy. What is it?
Khalil TV.
Okay, I'm gonna cut that. What is it? Yo Boy Khalil TV?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Re-up it. Okay. No. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of the video. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of the video. Sorry it's really short, but I'll make it longer. Please like it and share it with your friends. We'll make it way longer. And then also go subscribe to Yo Boy Khalil TV. Wait.
Your boy Khalil TV.
I keep forgetting.
Your boy Khalil TV.
I'm sorry.
Let me do it. Just point at me.
Yeah,
Point at me.
yeah. Alright. Go subscribe to... Yeah.
Yeah. Part 2. Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
More to
Alright.
come.
Alright, ready?